Welcome back to Kaijo tutorial series. In this part of the Simple Inventory tutorial series, we're going to create the delete method to remove brands from the database. Well, actually, we're not actually deleting it. What we're doing is updating the isDeleted method because it's not ideal to actually remove things from the database for audit purposes and other reasons. So it's like a modified update method. Inside of SQL, inside of Express, we use something called delete. So the keyword is delete. So router dot delete. That's what we'd use in order to actually call a delete function. So I have copied a update function since we're actually doing an update. So let's call it delete. It's always good to name the endpoint and make it as descriptive and concise as possible. So delete target brand. Okay, so let's test this. Okay, something is missing. I wonder what that could be. So we are using update method so we look for the record where the ID brand ID is equal to the brand ID that we retrieved. But as if you look keenly, you realize that isDeleted should not be false, but it should actually be updated to true. That is part of the problem. The next problem is it's not the body that the ID is being sent, it's actually being sent through the parameter. Okay, so we updated it to the parameter. However, it's still showing up as I said before because isDeleted is false. I should actually set it to true. So it's a good idea to diagnose and test to verify that things work before moving on. So that's why I'm testing to see if the record that I deleted, if it exists, by running it through the fetch method. So now we have updated to isDeleted true. Now we're going to retest the method. Okay, it says success. Let's check to see if it's found. If you notice in the console, it says that no brand found, but that's no good in telling us on the interface side. So we need to update our fetch method to say that, hey, return no brand found. Currently it's only writing to the console, but we need it inside of the response so that the interface will know no brand found. Thank you. Please join me for the next part of the tutorial series. Please like and subscribe.